happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy May. Happy birthday to you. My sister-in-law, Mylene, bless, happy birthday to you. More birthday to come. Good health always. Stay pretty. Thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong mo sa amin. Stay pagmahal at sweet sa iyong mga pamangkin. More blessing to you and your family. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Mommy May! Happy birthday, Mommy May! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy May! Happy birthday, Mommy May! Wish you all the happiness, good health. Alam ko may mga sumasakit-sakit na dyan. Dito ka sana mag-birthday. At sana palagi kang healthy. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi Ate May, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami May.
Wish ko sa birthday mo sana siyempre maayos na kalusugan. Tsaka enjoy lang natin ng life. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Method, Mayo, May, Maylene, halata tinawag ko. Happy birthday. Ang wish namin sa iyo is more happiness. Maraming salamat sa happiness na lagi mong sinishare sa amin. You always want us to be happy. And this time, it's our turn to make you happy by doing this greetings. And as I see, numbers lang yung tumatanda sa iyo, pero you're still the same. Oo, hindi. You're still beautiful and adorable, gorgeous, and
Pretty. Happy birthday!
happy birthday!
God bless you and more blessings to come. More birthdays to come.
Tulog si Bunso.
Happy birthday,
Happy
May!
birthday!
Love ya!
Happy
Birthday, Mommy May. Happy birthday, Mommy May. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy May.
Ang wish ko, Mami May, sana pumunta kayo dito lang araw.
Happy birthday, Ate. Wish you all the best. Good health and very good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy May.
You're my superhero. Dad na!
Happy birthday to May. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday to May. Thank you for always being helpful and reliable. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Lola May. Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin nung mga bata pa kami. Thank you kasi halos tumayo ka na bilang pangalawang ate sa amin. Kahit lagi mo akong ginagawa ng computer dati. Thank you pa rin. Thank you sa mga masasarap mong luto. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita May! Ang wish ko po sa'yo ay stay healthy, more birthdays to come, and stay pretty po.
Happy birthday, Tita May. I wish you all the best. More blessings to come. We love you. Happy birthday, Tita May. Stay healthy. More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. We love you.
Love you, Tita!
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Sorry if pasaway kami ni Marius minsan. But remember, we always love you no matter what. Kahit pagalitan mo kami every time. Love ka pa rin namin. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Mommy.
And you're the mom na ayaw mag-celebrate.
You're the best mom because you're our only mother.
Yeah. Mother's knows best.
Happy birthday, Tita May, from the USA.
Happy birthday, Mommy. So all the best. You're the best, Mom. I love you. We love you. Happy 20th birthday. We love you all. Happy birthday, Ate May.
Happy birthday, Mayo! Mayo na naman! Maper! Long live the Philippines!
Happy birthday, Melian Uriza Velasquez. Ay, bakit dyan nagkaganap ng birthday mo? Paano naman kami makakain ng pansit? Saka palabok. Pero hindi bali na lang. Usa ka masaya, putang ka. May have you more birthdays to come. I love you. Bye.
Good evening po. Happy birthday,
Happy
Mayo.
birthday, Mayo. May you have many more birthdays to come.
God bless. I love you. Miss you. Yan lang po. Magiging healthy lang lagi. At yun. Miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi May! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Ingat lagi! Treat mo kami! Lagi mo lang tandaan, palagi lang ako nandito! Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Mommy May. I miss you. Happy birthday, Mommy May.
Ulit.
Happy birthday daw, Mayo. Happy birthday daw ulit. Sabi ni
Pupunta kayo dito.
Hey Mayo, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless and I do hope makauwi kayo dito. Enjoy your day. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mommy May.
One more. Happy birthday, Mami May.
Happy birthday, Mommy May.
Smile. Happy birthday, Mami May. Dali na. Happy birthday, Mami May.
Happy birthday, Mommy May.
One more. Happy birthday, Mami May.
Happy birthday, Mommy May.
So, say happy birthday, Mami May.
Happy birthday, Mommy May. Happy birthday,
Mami May. Happy birthday, Mami May.
Yun, ayos. Happy birthday, mahal. Happy 18th birthday. Pabata ng pabata. Wish ko lang sa'yo sana huwag na maging mainitin yung ulo. Lagi kayo nag-aaway ni Natalia at ni Marius. Araw-araw. Baby, kalma. Baby, kalma. Kalma lang. Wish ko na more birthday to come. And good health. Good health. Ilayo tayo sa mga mga sakit, mga karamdaman. Abot pa tayo ng 90 years old. We love you. Mwah.